ho. Yeah, okay. So, yeah, let the stream begin. And yes, what can you see? Oh, what I did in my last video. And yeah, I'm streaming. Just 1 second. Seconds. I need to 1 or 2 things to set up. I will immediately start coding in a few seconds. I won't record myself. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, this is a live stream I promised days before, but yeah, here we go. Now I am back to streaming. And yeah, today I repeat myself, kind of. I'm open for suggestions. Let me make a little poll. I hope I'm not too quiet. Oh, now my pencil dropped and I dropped it. I guess I dropped nearly everything. But that's okay. Because, yeah, let me just needed to stand up a little bit. And yeah, so topic of today, is, yeah, again, what I do always. New window. This wasn't I'm just looking for my project. The project I used where my Pygame file is in this window. Yeah, let's do it in this window. I guess I found it. Yeah, this should be it. Can you see it? No. Oh, yes. Yes, you can see it. You should be able to see it. Yeah, by the way, I want to start a poll. What should be covered next? Pygame, Numpy. I should add some options like Numpy. What could I else cover? Let me think. I could do something like hello to the one who joined. Yeah. And now I clicked on a too long time on my shift key. So yeah, that's why we got the strange sound. Random project, like always. Project. Think something. Okay. Poll started. Yeah, everyone can now vote, but I will, until the vote is finished, I will move back to Pygame. And yeah, let me start it. What was it? Here we go. Should I visit my neighbor? No, this wasn't my project. Pygame, Numpy stream, GUI. Where was my project? Pygame roguelike. This was it. Okay. Yeah, Pygame roguelike. You won't see it, but what you can see is the code now. Here we go. And yeah, now let's start it. Start the main. Here we go. Let me show you by adding the window. Yeah, here we go. And yeah, you can see the figure, which is the player. Maybe I should draw it a little bit more, bigger. But again, here's our little figure, which can move around. Yeah, and what I already created is an HP. On the right side, you can see your HP. And yeah. Also want to set the level, and yeah, now it won't close. Now it closed. What I also want to get shown is the level, and not only the level, but also the attributes. But first, let's see the level. Okay, and manner. My label. Oh yeah, manner can be included later. Call something like level. My label 2 equals funny point render level yeah, level. Text should be level. Wow. And yeah, anti-analysis equals 1, color equals 0, 0, 0. And now yeah, we should level equals 0 or 1. And yeah, funny because it doesn't need to be declared in any one. Can be declared as a global variable. And yeah. HP, let's do something like F. Oh, let me check if you can see anything correctly, but you should be able to see everything correctly. Maybe you should also be able to see the, yeah, let me do it like this. I guess this is better. If the, yeah, if the signs are too small, please write it down. If not, yeah. Okay. Now what is next? Next step should be, no, nothing B, but next step should be hello to the one who joined. Yeah, next step is level F and level. And now we should render it. Split my label, let me see, screen blit, my label 50, which is HP. Yeah, it should be like 10 or something like this, and it should be 70, but maybe we will have mana points, so yeah, let's do it like this. And of course it should be my label 2. Here we go, level 1. Let's call it player level. Level each, and yeah. Then let's do something like EP. My label 3 equals EP. P equals 0. And EP. And EP should be level multiplied with 5, something like this. This 1.3. And to make it even more complicated, by 1. So again, yeah, we should also label it. Label 3. Okay, and it should be different. Let's get it to 90. Let's do it like, or we can make it even more simpler out of, and yeah, let's do something like integer of it. Yeah, 0 to 8. Okay. Yeah, you can't probably see the screen. Now you can. Hello to the one who joined. Yeah, as you can see, I'm programming in Pygame. And yeah, it's called Eldritch Epic Nonsense because I'm kind of new to Pygame. And yeah, if you want me to do anything else, you can use a poll. I always have a poll open. You can decide what I can cover next. But if you can just don't do anything if you want me to keep on Pygame. And yeah. So again, color brown, EP. Now comes the hard part, because now we need to draw our first enemies. So I am totally a noob regarding. I will just use a placeholder picture. And yeah, so with that I will use paint. You can kind of, and you should kind of cancel me for that because I'm using paint, but yeah. This is a blob. 1 second, I will be immediately ready to show you what I just won. One second. Okay, so yeah, storage. Now we in images, I will store the blob. Isn't it beautiful? This is a player, this is a blob. It will be a kind of anime. And yeah, so what do we gonna do next? We already have the graphic for the anime. Now we can do something like hello to the one who joined. I am just doing some Pygame, and yeah, the strange graphic will be the next anime. Yes, so feel free to join, and you can also vote on the right side what I could cover next. Yeah, back to my little anime, because yeah, now we have our main objects, non-movable obstacles. Now let's make a new file, movable enemies, and yeah, class is not wall but enemies, and we also need to import this stuff for it. And yeah, class equals enemy, and an enemy has self point HP equals HP. Equals 0 and MP and level equals 0. Okay, so we use inheritance later, self point HP and self point level equals level. Now we have the class blob, which has inheritance from enemy. And let me look in the chat. Nothing in the chat. Okay, so back to coding. Yeah, blob is an enemy. Def init I guess I need to enemy point init. Have to use the same arguments. self point x, self point y, self point x size, self point y size, self point HP, and self point level. By the way, if I do anything stupid, please write it down. It's a long time ago since I did anything regarding inheritance, so yeah, feel free to correct me. I'm open for anything regarding, yeah, correcting me. Anyways, yeah, okay. Now it has the same functions. Again, we don't need to do that, but so self HP Do I need this? Oh, when did I last? Yeah, I need this, I guess. Okay, what we also need is set up the level. So HP equals, let's say, let's do it quick. HP is 2 by default. Let's say 3 multiplied with the level, which equals 1 by default. X size equals 20 by default, and Y size equals 20 by default. Yeah. Now an enemy should have def point move up, self point x plus equals 1, def move down, move up is not x but y plus equals 1, def move down, def move right, and yeah, def move left. And yeah, self point y minus equals 1, move right, self point, nothing in the chat. Okay. And also no votes. Okay. That's okay, I guess. Also wanted to do a vote regarding, it's important that I'm still live. Yes, I am. Hello to the one who joined. I hope you feel good because I'm programming Pygame. Okay, one has nothing to do with the other. Yeah. And apart from that, yeah, I should continue coding. Yeah, self return rectangles, right x plus equals 1, self point x minus equals 1. Okay. HP equals HP multiplied with the level. Could also use attack. Attack equals 0. Self point attack equals attack. And yeah. HP equals HP and attack I should totally write them in lowercase. So we factor, we name HP, and we factor level. Yeah, this is not the fun part because I will just use variable names and the graphical part comes later. Sorry for that. Attack. Attack. And attack. Level and HP. HP level, I guess because it is even quicker than that. If I do it like that without refactoring it the usual way, or because I need to search for a refactor and stuff like that. I guess this is not the fun or interesting part because you just watch me doing stuff. But anyways. Okay, what was my next step? Level. Level. Okay. HP. And a self point attack equals level multiplied with equals level. Okay. Guess I get everything. Now I can make a list of blobs. Enemy list equals now from main objects point enemies import star equals blob and here x equals random point rand int, let's say 4 to 10. Did we already import random? No, we didn't. So we should import random point rand int 5 to 10 multiplied with 10. The same goes for y. So I can copy that. And I messed something up. What did I mess up? X. Oh, the bracket here is one bracket too much. Okay. For x in range 10. Okay. Now we should also do a function like enemies move def move random which is self point x and plus equals random point import random point random, and yeah, hello to the ones who joined. Yeah, kind of doing what it means kind of, I'm doing a little roguelike game, and yeah, if you have any questions, type it in the comments or in the chat. I try to program or make a roguelike in Pygame, using Pygame, obviously. And yeah, you can feel free to vote what I can do next. I can also cover anything else like Numpy or any data science. You can write your suggestions or advice in the chat, or if I do anything stupid, write it please down in the chat. Maybe I will do better. Yeah. Okay, I will return back to coding. Random point rand int -1 1, and yeah, same goes for y. Okay, now again back to the main function, animal list for I in range 10. Okay, now it's good that I already created a kind of similar game, so I can kind of steal my own code. Where was it? Here, Pygame. Just enemies is important now, and the main function visit my neighbor is not important. So yeah, where was it? Test file to mess with. Here we go, something like oh yeah. Okay, we need kind of two functions. Already here have a while running, another while running, because the clock will only yeah. Okay, so because so while running, let's do this all in a loop. Now let's fill something like enemy list. And yeah, we can do something like my label 3, do something like this, or is it covered red? Oh yeah. Now let's run it again. HP test file enemies 24. Oh yeah, self point HP and self point level. Let's try it again. Teacher object has no main function. Yeah, let's look at the main function. Maybe there's a mistake. maybe not. Where's animal list? Where did I put the animal list? Okay. In range 10. Let's say for I in range. Integer object has no attribute x. It has. Am I stupid? Maybe this is the cause. No, it's not. Definitely not. Okay. Hello to the one who joined. I tried to solve an issue regarding object-oriented programming in a roguelike game I make with Pygame. Maybe you have an idea, but don't worry if you're not. I will guess, or hopefully I will solve it soon. And yeah, I had a new, don't have a new watcher. Okay. Where was I? Hello to the one who joined. Hello. Yeah, I tried to solve some issues regarding my game. HP, Y size. So integer object has no attribute x. Self point HP multiplied with level. This is wrong. But yeah, doesn't really solve anything else. HP. Okay, I look back at the main function. In this main function, again, enemy list equals if we use something like 10. Okay, I still get the same issue. Blob. Maybe I need to use brackets for this. Sounds totally stupid, but maybe it is important. No, it seems that this is not the issue. Okay. Again. blob. In it. Okay, so this kind of works in a strange way. Still need to do something like running. This has to be in this case, I guess. Okay, no, it doesn't. So again, we put that back. Yeah, okay. Now it's back to the old ways. Okay. What can I also do? Hello to the ones who joined. Yeah, trying to solve some issues with my Pygame. Feel free to join me. And yes, any suggestions regarding how I solve this code are welcomed. Or you can vote for what I can do next on the right side, where I have the poll. Yeah. And yes, but I will soon make a coffee break, I guess, but not now. I need to solve this issue. And yeah, feel free to help me or feel free to vote for something. I am eager to solve this. Okay, what could I probably do? I guess my voice is so stupid right now. Feel even ashamed. A little bit, okay. So yeah, while running. Maybe yeah. Let me try something like fill the screen. Where do we fill the screen? In black. Here. Okay. So the program starts. Now let me fill it in black. Works perfect. Now the labels can also be put up here. Or no, not really. Okay, this is interesting. Okay, because it was screen for black, then it was this one. Perfect. Okay, the gray. Oh, he is filling it black all the time, so yeah, that's why. Okay, here we go, perfect. Okay, what can we do next? pretty simple, maybe, or maybe not. What could we do next? No one wants to see me singing, or no one is voting anyways, but no one wants to see me singing. This would be a highlight. I mean, I can't sing, but it would be funny in a really strange way. Okay, I should get back to coding. Okay, so walls. Walls also don't need to be created while running, to save some space like this. Yeah, here we go. Okay, this is... He still needs to... Okay, forget about that. Maybe. Well, let me think. Yeah, I totally need to kind of redo that. Hello, by the way, to the one who joined. Yeah, feel free to watch me coding. If you want, you can write something in the chat regarding suggestions or what I could do next. Or you can ask me any questions regarding my code. Or yeah, whatever you like. So yeah, back to coding and... Strange, really strange. So I should kind of put everything back. But I still, while running, the enemy list should be here, not here, because this should be, yeah, on each occasion it should be different. But yes, anyways. Oh, I shouldn't do that. My girlfriend said once it makes you poor if you yeah, do this inside an apartment. It will get you poor, brings bad luck. Maybe she's right, so I don't know. I don't believe in such things, but yeah. Sometimes you should start believing in fairy tales. Okay. Enemy list blob random is generated. I should kind of remove this console. And yeah, should also quit the game so you can see more. And yes. So where am I? Blob. Okay, this is this. Okay. So random blobs are generated. I can move. Yes, I can. Okay. Ah. I get it. Destination. Okay, I have to look something up. I'm sorry. And I will make 55 minutes. First coffee break, I guess. For 5 minutes, I will make a short coffee break. So many windows. Need to delete the other ones. Okay. Yeah, I guess it's time for a little coffee break. Maybe. Yeah, time for a little coffee break, and then I have an idea what I can do next. Hello to Dibaran Lashiwi. How are you? Do we wanna do Numpy? If you want, I can make a break regarding Pygame and we can do some Numpy. I can explain you certain stuff and learn and kind of refresh my knowledge, because yeah, it's a long time ago since I did anything important or bigger in Numpy. So if you want, we can do some Numpy. Just type in, yeah, whatever you want. Kind of a democracy here. Could also, do I have here Numpy? I guess. Glossary warm. What do I do for stream? Numpy for stream. Yeah, I already made some Numpy for stream. So yeah, I can do Numpy if you want. Just type it in the chat and yeah. But after this, I will do a little coffee break. Yeah, coffee break for 5 minutes so I can make myself a coffee, and yeah, after that we can maybe do some Numpy, whatever you want. Feel free. Okay. Now 1 second, 2 seconds. Add texts. Coffee break to 42. Yeah, be right back. But I'm a coffee junkie and it got late and I need my coffee. And I'm back, so yeah. Okay, I will still remain in Pygame. If you want Numpy, just write it in the chat. Until that, I will do some, Pygame. Yes. Okay. Yeah, I will delete the watermark because I got my coffee. And yeah, hello to the one who joined. And yeah, back to... And I never thought there's such a long delay, but yeah, back to coding. So, while running, okay, for enemy in enemy list, enemy point move random, and let's do something like screen point lit, and we need to load the logo, not the logo, blob image, blob img equals pygame point image point load, and yeah, input is storage images blob point png, and hello to... I found this live stream after watching programming war crimes. Yeah, this is my programming style could be counted as a war crime. Hello to Simply, and hello to anyone who joined. Yeah, how are you? And yeah, I'm trying to do some Pygame, and yes, trying to make a roguelike game. Feel free to join, make suggestions, advice, or yeah, anything you want. And yeah, I'm open for to attend anything you want. Yeah. Okay, where was I? Yeah, screen blit, blob, or blob image. Yeah, blob image, but yeah, blob image, and enemies, get destination, get destination is a function, self return self point x and self point y, player related, no, was it main? Here's main. And now we can do something like enemy point get destination. Okay, let me see if this works. Oh, it works. You see these blobs. Yeah, we don't have, we didn't add collision yet, so... Oh, you made it with Tikinter. Yeah, I made, what did I made? Our snake, yeah. Where did you get the FPS? Because when I did Tikinter, I had problems that the whole GUI didn't update itself. But Or where you could do something like a timer with the time package. I'm sorry, but you have already implemented that in the Pygame package, like the ticker, the time, and stuff like that. Okay, so yeah, as you could probably see, or as you can see, can you see that? Let me see. Okay, oh no, you can't see that. So let me add the game. No, no, where is it? Some game, where is some game? No, not this, this. Yeah, 1 second, I will show you immediately. Just made it to try it out, but yeah, I understand the issue of FPS. There was a noticeable difference on different devices, yeah. But yeah, Tkinter is it's a great way to learn Tkinter because yeah, Tkinter is, I guess, the most commonly used package for GUIs in Python. And to make simple programs in Python is pretty awesome because you can easily convert them to exe files and or exe files, however you wanna call it. Yeah, that's pretty easy, and I love that in Python. That's why I use that at work because yeah, I can simply transfer it to any device. Yeah. Okay. Now I have the issue that OBS doesn't find my game. But this shouldn't be an issue. I will just restart it. So here again. Now let me try it again. Here we go. Yeah, here you can see it now. You can see the blobs and the figure. And I don't have anything like collision. I just added the blobs. And yeah, hello to the one who joined. Yeah, doing some Pygame. If you want me to show anything else, I made a paw. And yeah, okay. Yeah, maybe it was, yeah, kind of just the start of something. I need to add collision that they want. But the good thing is I already made another game. Let me show you. I should show you the other game because, yeah, what is it? 1 second, 2 seconds, here we go. This. Can you see it? No, because it's overshadowed by the other one. Here we go. Yeah, this is another game I made. This is even more simple, but I add collision so the cubes won't collide with itself and don't collide. If they collide with me, I lose kind of HP, and yeah, goal is to reach the cube in light green. And yeah, this is pretty simple, but was a good practice, and here we go. Here we go again. Okay, now if I'm dead now. Okay, this was the game. Now I should stop it. No, I don't want to debug, I want to stop it. Stop this and stop that. Okay. So, but you saw it, yeah, and because of this I already kind of have methods how to avoid a collision because I already made it once. Yeah. Okay. So next step is to find in my old code the collision function. Basic functions, enemies, yeah, play related, yeah, I should keep that. Test file, no, but the test file to mess with. And here I got something like check for key input, no collision. I guess I already implemented that. Yes, no collision. Where is it? Enemies, basic functions, yeah. Here I have no collision. And how did I handle that? Yeah, move at random. I don't need that anymore. Leveled while running, yeah, here we go. Oh, I need that. So running. Here we go. If dir equals okay, vector no collision. Here we go. Main again. Let's run to the main. So if enemy okay, move random is a little bit stupid because move random should only be possible if there's a problem is I need to know in which direction I can move. Yeah, let me see. How can I do that? I don't know. Let me see. Look in the chat. You are a game engine dev? Okay, so you have knowledge in C++ or because I already wanted to attend C++, I already did some C code, and yeah, C++ sounds also awesome. Sounds awesome too. And yeah, hello to the one who joined, by the way. We're doing some Pygame, or talking about Pygame. And yeah, because C++ seems to have many similarity with C's, obviously. And yeah. Okay, back to coding. Where was I? Now I have to, move random. Let's say dir, let's say x, and dir zero multiplied with dir, and x if x equals 0. Yeah, I shouldn't use magic numbers, but yeah, I will comment on that. magic numbers, x equals 0, y equals 1. I guess in this small case it is, yeah, there's no need to use enumerations. Oh, and this is totally stupid. If not ax, else yeah, because we have an integer value. And yeah, now can do something like if. How did I do it here? Basic functions. Test file to math with. Yeah. If no collisions or Pygame. Ah, I get it. I get it. Okay, I can source. Now let's, yeah. I get it, maybe. Now I have to think, how can I realize it? Yeah, my elbow feels itchy. That's a strange sound. I'm just been meaning to revisit C++. I use blueprints in Unreal Engine since I haven't found anything that can't be done with them, so don't really need C++. Will probably revisit it again soon. Though just cause. Yeah, I have heard of that. I never attended game development, but or real game development. Just this is more, Pygame is more for experimental game developing, but no competitive game development. You don't program any viable games. I never heard about a game, which was probably viable and was programmed in Python. But yeah, if I'm wrong, please correct me. Yeah. And this is more because I guess Pygame is much more fun to watch programming in Pygame than programming in maybe, yeah, let me guess, yeah, doing some maths or random projects or doing tkinter. I guess it's more watchable. Okay, back to coding. So now we have to use the axis. Random. So x equals rand integer. I guess this is even the default value for rand integer. I don't need to use the arguments 0 and 1 because they are default. And x, what was the other thing? Enemies. The direction. Direction equals point random point choice 1 and -1. Yeah. And if x equals 0, Yeah, let's do it for better readability. Add x equals 0, add y equals 0. If not x, by the way, let me see. Yeah, if not x, this is correctly. And yeah, drank too much coffee. Now yes, and to learn the basic stuff about coding. Not coding, about developing stuff like games. Even if you can't develop full games or games you do anything useful with, it is, as you already mentioned, it's great for anything else. For learning, for starting with game development, I guess. And yeah, Matplotlib is, by the way, I love to visualize. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm not a native speaker. Visualizing data with Matplotlib. Yeah, where was I? Direction, random choice. If not x, add x equals direction, else at y equals direction. We can still, so yeah. Now let's see, now we have to do the if condition to collide. If no collision, we'll simply copy that. If no collision, let's do it like enemy point, get rectangle, and yeah, animate get rectangle, and what again was basic functions, rectangle and a rectangle list. And yeah, player included equals false. What was else? There was something else. Player equals none. So not as easy as I thought it could be. Okay, thought klingt like I searched something. No, I mean thought, like thinking, like the thing in your brain, the brain cells. And hello to the one who joined. I'm trying to do some Pygame. Okay. No collision, we don't have a fence. I for en, no collision list. Enemy list. E point get rectangle. Oh, how did I do it in this one? For E, enemy in enumerate enemy list. And now for double E rectangle for N, get rectangle for EE, and in animal list if EE doesn't equal E. And now move random. Yeah, have a good night. Yeah, it's really late here too. I'm in my holidays tomorrow, and yeah, or I don't have to work tomorrow. So yeah, have a nice day, have a nice evening, dinner time, night time, whatever time it is in your country. See you. Bye bye. It's always a sentence I'm saying at the end of my videos. Okay. Where was I? I really won't. If I didn't solve the issue regarding the enemies, I won't go to bed. I refuse to go to bed. Content. Okay. Random choice. We need a new function, I guess. Get alternate rectangle, get alt rectangle, and we have something like, yeah, this. Plus x plus y. And now we can do main if enemy get alternate rectangle. No. Alternate rectangle x plus equals add x. X equals add x. And y equals y, add y. Now did I make it correctly? Yeah, plus. Okay. What else? Enemy move random. X equals x. Dia equals dia. Does that work? Oh, wrong game. But yeah, this was my old one. Where am I? Here am I. old game, not the one I was intended to show. So yeah, let's close this. Let's close this. By the way, it's funny that it's there 2 times. Okay, now main. Method is not subtype error line 62. Ah, okay. Little mistake, syntax error. Get alternative rectangle. Ah, get a rectangle. I wanted get alternative rectangle. Alternative rectangle. And again. Cannot unpack none into a blob object. Ah, in enumerate animal list. Here we go. Now they are kind of catched because they are not allowed to move, and empty rand range. Okay. Yeah. But we got a little bit further. Not as I intended, but we got further. And thanks for the subscriber. It's pretty cool. And yes. Second, I need to refresh something. Thanks for the upvote, by the way. Oh, this was my strongest accent I had in a long time. By the way, no, thanks for the. What did I just say? Thanks for the thumbs up. Yeah, sounds more like proper English, but I did something so German. I guess the accent was so strong in me, people couldn't even, yeah. Okay. Now there's a lot of stuff to fix. And hello to the one who joined. Yeah, trying to do some Pygame. Maybe you wanna join me. And yeah, trying to make a little roguelike, but there are issues, and I don't want to record myself. Yeah, if I start oh, now it got quicker. Yeah, they are catch themselves. And I need to do something that yeah. Now let me get back to the error, and it is random x. Enemies, move random integer. Yes, I'm stupid. I can do it like this. Multiplied with direction. This is much easier, I guess. And does he have the issue? I guess not. No. Of course they won't collide anymore. Okay, now they are kind of together, soon together, however you want to call it. They are fused together like a big blob. Okay, the enemy type is called blob, but it shouldn't be like that. So again, I have to now work on the coordinates. maybe, no, because the same issue I already solved it once, so I guess I will be able to solve it now. I'm pretty eager to do that. I will solve that, definitely. Okay, how... If no collision enemy... move. Okay. Yeah, I guess they kind of... Yes. That's more like it. Okay. And what is good is they seem to avoid each other. Now let them move more. Speed equals 3. Let's do add some speed. Speed equals, yeah, let's say 4. Now speed, not here. Speed. Oh no, this is not necessary. Speed equals speed. Now enemies and enemies and wow, whoa. Enemies. Yeah, sorry. Kind of got a, wow, you call it an earworm in English. Enemies. Yeah, sorry. Kind of childish today. But still. Enemies. Yeah, I should stop that. Main. Speed equals speed. Enemies. Enemies. Speed. Okay. Direction multiplied with speed, multiplied with speed. Speed equals 0. Here we go. Oh, they still collide, which is not good at all. And if they fuse together, they won't move. This could be much more work than I wanted it to be. Okay. Yeah, I could made it simpler, but I was not smart enough, I guess. So now I have to... Yeah. Pay the price for my mistakes. Anyways. Enemies. Yeah, I should stop that. Enemies. Yeah. People who joined will probably just leave because they think I lost my mind. Hello to the 2 new viewers. Yeah, kind of trying to make a roguelike game, as you can see on the right side, but the blobs are doing anything on their own. And yes, how did I do it in my test file? Ah, I made the direction. I made it more like this. Okay. You know what? I will copy that. I mean, I wrote it when more brain cells were left, probably. And yeah. Oh, you can't see that because the game is kind of destroying everything, so I will move it to the right. Yeah. Here we go. Yeah, this is the code, and this is a game I programmed earlier. If just type in the chat if you wanna see it. It's pretty simple, but it worked. Kind of proud about it. Okay, this is a little bit too much, but I'm happy I did it. So yeah, non-movable objects, player related, back to main, and here we have yeah, non-movable obstacles, enemies, no. Don't need that, don't need that. X up and Y up. Move random. Okay, how did I make it in my test? Test file to Methodus. I did it. Here we go. Move rectangle random. Move rectangle random was speed equals 1. Okay. So, non-movable objects, main. Move. Now I will do another function like enemies and move random. Def move. And yeah. Self. Move. move on input xy self x plus equals x self x plus equals x self point x plus equals x self point y plus equals y. And now back to main, we use the new function enemy point move on input, yeah, x up and y up. Now how will it work now? Oh, they still collide, I guess. But do they collide because yeah, also should be put the enemy list in say no collision list. Let's say no collision list. No collision list. Because this is a list of objects that can't collide with equals. Okay, I should have a equals walls plus enemy list. So in this is hard. Or let's say it's not that easy. Yeah, not that easy fits it more, I guess. But yeah, not easy at all. Hello to the one who joined, yeah. Kind of trying to implement no collision. I do it before. Ah, I have an idea here. No collision list. Basic functions. To mess with. Yeah, I programmed something similar before. And where's the no collision list? Here we go. I kind of sound like I'm dying. I'm sorry for that. And I'm not dying, so I'm still fine. I'm just thinking and my brain, it feels itchy from thinking that much. Sorry, if that sounds strange. No, I feel totally strange. Please tell me I'm not that strange. Even if I sound like I'm strange. Because I need to figure out. Ah, here we go. If no collision. Ah. Plus no collision list, because yeah, first he has to set the enemy list for no. There's no call list, and let's Make a new one. So again. Okay, invalid rectangle. All fields must be numeric. Line 10. In no collision. Equals, yeah. We point get rectangle for we in W, I mean in walls. Yes. Okay, I guess it works. They kind of collide still a little bit, which is, yeah, based on the fact that they are fast. Okay. And yeah, the size. Need to kind of change something regarding the size. Like it should be more like a blob. But I have an idea. Okay, save it as a PNG. Yes, 1 second. I will be back in a few seconds because I will kind of change the image. It is a little bit, yeah, glitchy. Delete anyways, and yeah, I will copy it again. But this time, yeah, perfect. They won't collide anymore. Yes, that's, here we go. They are still too fast. Kind of messy. But yeah. Okay, you probably won't see it, so I should add it. Here we go. Now we won't have any collision anymore. Hello to the one who joined. I'm trying to, yeah, program or do some Pygame. Hope you feel fine. Yeah, feel free to join me. And yes, here we go. Okay, next step is to make the thing a little bit slower. Do I have, yeah. Because I need this 1 and 1. Divided by 20. Again, divided by 20. Okay, this was not planned. Now they are moving together. Yeah. Oh yeah, the move. Here we go. This was the issue. Move only 1. Now it should work. Yeah. Okay, they are moving in only 1 direction. Shouldn't move through the fence. Why are they doing this? They are fleeing. Yeah. Not as intended. I need something to eat. Maybe I can solve the issue better. Let me try it in a few seconds again. hello to the one who joined. I'm doing some Python and trying to, yeah. Why are they so again? Looks up. Okay. Get rectangle. Oh, okay. I get it. They can only move in one direction. So, how did I solve it in my old one? Test file. Direction. Speed, and speed is by default. Okay. Is, okay, x up partly divided by 20 and y up divided by 20. Now let's try it again. Yeah, that's it. That's the spirit. Perfect. Okay. Really good. Really good. Now I got it. Okay. This is for the part that the blobs don't collide each other. Now let's place them. Where are they placed? Okay. Still confused. Hello, by the way, to the ones who joined. Feel free to vote. Numpy. Okay, you want Numpy. Yes, so I will do some Numpy after or I can do it now. I can do it now. Okay. Then let's do some Numpy. Sorry for the moaning. But I guess I need to eat something before heading to Numpy, but will eat as quickly as possible, make a little break, and then Numpy. Let's say 10 minutes of break. After that we are doing Numpy. Okay. Do I have a sound for the break? I guess I'll have something. Oh, okay, 1 second, I need one. Link the music because I'm using it.
sé que es de ti. I got to stay away, got to stay away. Sé que como un trofeo quieres tenerme, pero I don't need no one. Que yo ya sé que es de ti. I got to stay away, got to stay away. No, 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 baby, no, 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 no setbacks. No, 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 baby, no, 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 this time. You broke my heart once again. I won't buy the dust in return. I can't give in, I can't give in. I won't give in this time. You broke my heart once again. Well, you bad, but you bad it for me. I can't give in, I can't give in. I've already
Okay, hello and yeah, welcome back. Can kind of delete the watermark and let's head to Numpy. So I already made something like Numpy for stream. And yeah, what I'm asking you, shall I explain the basics regarding Numpy or some stuff regarding random Numpy stuff or how to shape, slice? What do you want to know? You can type it down in the chat. First of all, close the music. And yeah, what can I show you? For example, yeah, first of all, you always import numpy SNP and do something like, yeah, import numpy SNP. And after that, yeah, let's first create a list. You know, maybe lists from Python, like listy equals 1.24. But a list is something like class node. It's a class with a node linking to the next node. Stuff like that. And an array in NumPy, probably. And is anyone still watching? Because, yeah. An array in NumPy is something like this. And p-point array is of a listy. And now if we print, let's declare it like array e equals p-point array. And yeah, I'm a little bit too quiet, I guess. Okay. Am I still hearable? Ah, yeah, I can hear myself. This is bad. Okay. Kind of waiting that anyone will join. Because now I'm the only one talking. Anyone else left? Which is sad, but also not that sad. Okay, hey. Yes, so yeah, we got a listy numpy array, and I will make the GUI a little bit smaller so that I can see the viewers. Still, can you see anything? Yeah, you could see anything. Okay, if we print it, print array, and run it. F10. Oh, I accidentally started my program. This was not as intended. So yeah, numpy test, one numpy test. Now we got an array. You see they're probably missing the commas, which means we are working in a numpy array with an C code. And yeah, we can add 1, 2. And if we do something like in the listy, we get an exception because, yeah, it is not defined here, but this is defined in NumPy. Yes. So anything else? I could probably show. Watch me sleeping could be a new. Wait, does it already exist? Watch me sleeping. Sorry, I need to know that. Live. Not really, there are more. Okay. Okay. Yeah, now you can see the You know, in Western movies there are, how you call this, cockroaches or something like that, making their noises. I guess you can hear the same sound now. And yeah, NumPy array list. You can add them. Access to certain functions. You can do something like array equals np point zeros with the shape 1 4 4 4. Now we have 0 because it is added 3 to that. We have an array from, let me kind of pull it up a little bit so you can see more. Yeah. Anything else I could show you is like, watch me. Hello to the one who joined, covering some NumPy. If you have any questions or want me to do anything else, please write it down. I'm open for any kind of input, any kind of suggestions regarding what can I do next. Like, let me add some text. Like, type in the chat what I could cover next. Yeah, feel free to make any suggestion, write anything in the chat if you want. If you don't want, not. And I will do now explaining kind of NumPy. Here we have an array of np zeros with the shape, and the shape defines the dimensions we have. We have four elements in the first dimension, 4 elements in the second dimension, and 4 elements in the third dimension. And the total amount of elements is 4 multiplied with 4 multiplied with 4, I guess, which should be 64, I guess. Yes, this should be 16 elements. This 16, this 16. Yeah, I'm counting right. Okay. By the way, if you want, I can put on some music. Yes. Anyways, so this is, you can do it with np zeros, but you can also do something like np point random point rand integer. Now we can do numbers between 1 and 20. And yes, can do something like shape or size. No, I guess it was shape. Was it size? We will see it. Yes, it was size. Okay. Now with size, we now got random integers, which is also possible with NumPy. But yeah, NumPy is more about numbers. Now we can say dtype equals, what was it? Equals np point integer, no. Dtype point int. I think a little bit what was again the name of how I use the dtype. np point, not type, dtype point, string alignment number. No. Shape, no. Dtype integer. Point. Float. Okay, I have to look it up 1 second. Dtype NumPy will be in a few, any second now. Any float, np point float, np point integer. Yeah, integer 64. We can choose this if we are using with larger numbers, because we are using 64 bits now. And yeah. Sorry? Yeah, because we are using 64 bits now, and if we want only 4 bits, 4 bits is not possible, but 8 bits, yeah, 8 bits is possible. And now, I guess with 8 bits, we have 2, 4, 8, yeah, 0, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 23, 64, 265 should be the max, and I guess it should be only 127. So let's do something like 127, 127, yeah, and 227. I guess he should, yeah, switch to negative numbers now. Oh, he will simply raise an exception, because we are not... Okay, but and we could increase to integers 16, not 160, 116. And now it is possible, yeah, because now we are using 16 bits. I can also add a dimension like this. Now it should be 265 elements. But yeah, after we reached, I guess, a fourth dimension, it is kind of hard to, yeah, cover it or to make it visual or visualize it in a certain way. But that shouldn't be not an issue in my opinion. Okay. Anything else you want to get covered, or I can switch to pandas or matplotlib. Can do some matplotlib if you want. Tell me anything and I will do it, if it is something to do with coding, of course. And yeah. I'm streaming. Yeah, only 2 hours. There can be much more hours left if you want. So this live stream won't get that much impressions anymore, but it's pretty late. This could be important. How late is it in the US? Oh, it's still evening. Yeah, so people are already getting to sleep in the US, so that's probably why. And yeah, what could I cover next? We see. First, let's to Numpy again. Sorry for the moaning. It's pretty late here in Germany, and I guess the one who was also watching me fell asleep. Which there's no issue. I already also fell asleep during streaming, but I was the one who was making the stream, which made it even funnier. Yeah. Now we can try to make a vector. Yeah, sounds cool. Let's do something like a vector. Maybe someone is watching the recorded version and always wanted to do a vector, yeah. But yeah, there's no vector support like this. But yeah, even with that in mind, something like a shape like 1, 3. And or 3, 1. Yeah, now we got a vector. z. Array 2. Let's do something like that. Array 2. And yeah, we print array 2 and we print array 1 plus array 2. We do a vector like this because, yeah, why not? Now we have the added vector, or we can use multiplication, like we have one array. Let's comment this one out. Probably you know it from school. I don't know the exact English words. In Germany it is called, yeah, scalar multiplication. Here it is something similar. We have 130 and multiplied with, each element is multiplied with 12. Yeah, which means the dimension the vector is building is still the same. And here the watermark is a little bit too big, I guess. Yeah, and no one is watching anymore. So I could still go back to Pygame. Oh, someone is watching. Hello to the one who joined. Yeah, doing some NumPy. But I'm more kind of doing anything which you want. Yeah. Back to NumPy. So we have now multiplied our vector with 12. Now what can we do next? We could some kind of array manipulation. Could reshape. Yeah, let me do some reshape. Yeah, got pretty late for me, but yeah, there shouldn't be any excuse, or shouldn't excuse anything. Yeah, you probably would say shouldn't be an excuse. Okay, so yeah, here we go. Print array. No, print reshape. We have array. Well, let's do array equals 312, and we print array. Now what we wanna do, we wanna reshape it. Array point reshape, and now we can use the shape. So we have 2 dimensions, one contains 3 elements, 112, and yeah, now we just need a common, yeah, 4-9 should also be possible, and I guess, yeah, because yeah, it has to be multiplied, it has to be the same, and 4 multiplied 9 equals 63, 3 multiplied 12 equals 63, so what else is 63? 6 multiplied with 6 is also 36. Sorry, I pronounced it wrong, I guess. And yeah, or we can even do it like, yeah, 3 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 6. Or we can do it with 3 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 2. And now we even have 4 dimensions. Anything is possible what you could probably, yeah, imagine. Use your imagination. Wow. Yeah, sorry. Use your imagination. I'm kind of getting tired. Sleepy, not tired. Tired is the wrong word. The right word is sleepy. But yeah, I shouldn't mind that. Probably I will do some Pygame now, because I'm not happy with how far I got in Pygame. Go. Yeah, here we go. And let me increase the enemies to see if it really works. Are the enemies? Enemy list in range. Yeah, I probably have to resize it. Console don't need to be that big. And yeah, please write in the chat if you don't want. You want music? Okay, I can do music. 1 second. Where did I left the music? Music for streaming. I guess the last one I did was okay. Probably. Stream music. Oh, I found it. I'm just too stupid to click on it. I have to just skip the ad here. I hope this is okay and not too loud. If it's too loud, just write it down. Okay. Yeah, but I will have the poll. What I wanted to do, where's the animal list? Here's the animal list for range, let's say 30. Yeah, there. But I'm not happy with the spawning. Say 10, 20, 10. No. It's 100. Yeah, this is better. Now I got the blobs. Okay. Perfect. Yeah, I simply did use this music because why did I use this music again? Yeah, because I already wrote it in the description and I always want to kind of recommend the author of the music if I'm not too stupid and forget it, but try my best not forgetting it. Can't guarantee it, but yeah. Okay, where was I? Hello to the one who joined, how are you? I'm, by the way, doing some coding. Oh yeah, obviously the stream is called Watch Me Coding, so I'm doing coding. Yeah. Why up, why down? And the great thing is you won't spawn immediately inside the blobs. Which is good. Okay. Else can we do? Yeah, we can now kind of fight mode. Now I want to run a complete timer, or I don't want to run a complete timer. So yeah, let's stop the game and I will have a quick look. I don't need to have a quick look, I guess. Yeah, the music is pretty cool. I like it. Still, if someone doesn't like the music, please write it in the chat. Okay, brown, gray. Now we come to... while basic. Enemies. Yeah, from main objects point enemies import anything, because now we have the fight function. Def fight equals player equals none, and yeah, enemy did I call it enemy? Enemy, okay, like this. Enemy equals none. Or I shouldn't sing, or even the last viewer will get away, immediately jump away or something like this. And this is not my intention, to be honest. Hope I'm honest enough. Because honesty is a great trait. It's honest, yeah. Be honest to your family, to your friends, and yeah, all like that. No. Player should also have an attack. Attack damage equals 1. Save point attack damage equals attack damage. Player point HP equals enemies. Enemy point attack minus equals something like missing the attack we don't have now. Yeah, enemy HP minus equals player point attack damage. Okay. Now again to the main function. Hello to the one who joined. Yeah, I'm coding nonsense. I'm coding Pygame. Can watch me if you want. if you want. Yeah. So, a little sleepy already. Pretty late here in Germany. Hope you don't mind that I feel sleepy. Yeah. Okay, what was my intention now? Yeah, I wanted to do something like fight. Yeah. Now collision enemy. If so if where can I check this? Let's do the basic function again. No collision. So again, I need to copy that, get back to the main function wherever it was. If now we have our player 1. Point get rectangle, and yeah, our enemy point get rectangle. We can do it like basic. Okay. Import basic functions. Basic functions point fight player 1 enemy. Okay, now let's try it. Player object has no attribute HP. Oh yeah. Now I got something. The music is pretty cool. Not gonna lie on that. Oh, no, I kind of missed it. But it will return soon. So where was I? Yeah. Enemies, player related. Yeah, it's called HP. So basic function. Player point HP. So again, does it work? Yeah, here we go. Okay. Enemies. Main. If enemy point HP less equals 0, enemy list E equals none and continue. Does it work? Let me see. Okay. How else can I let them die? There must be any way to, yeah, kind of kill them off. Sounds kind of strange, but yeah, that's what it is. Hello to the one who joined, yeah. Trying to find a way to kill an enemy. How can I do that? Yeah, sorry, nothing special to see in that case. Kind of sorry. Give my best to make it more interesting soon. And yeah. Oh, I can't fall asleep now. Need to solve this. Ah. Ah, I have an idea. I got an idea. Enemy dead equals false. Self point dead equals dead. Now do it to the function like if enemy point, if not enemy point dead and enemy point dead equals true. Don't need to continue. Of course it should have an object too, but yeah. That equals false. Self point that equals that. Okay, now it seems to work. Objects doesn't apply to a bool object. Okay. Main 11. '84. No collision. Ah, yes. If not enemy point that, and yeah, here we go. Okay, back to it. How can I solve this? Okay. Enemy point that equals true. Equals true. Again, if not enemy dead and let's try it. Yeah, now we kill them. Still don't. Still don't disappear, but kind of killed. Okay. Okay, perfect. Now I finally got to fight, or how to fight. And with that in mind, I would say I would go to sleep. Wish you a wonderful evening, dinner time, night time, whatever time it is in your country. Thanks for the one who was watching me all the time. Hope you have a wonderful evening, dinner time, night time. And yeah, same goes for everyone who will watch the stream recorded, the recorded version of the stream. See you and bye bye.